watching my channel Fluorescence. Hope you all are doing good. And as we know that hair is a very important part of every woman. Like Priyanka Chopra, she has a beautiful hair. I love her a lot. And her personality is so beautiful. Okay, I'm going away from my point. Okay, so back to my point is hair spa is very important. Hair spa is one of the good way to maintain your hair. Basically is hair spa is a procedure that will help you to make your hair bouncy, shiny, strong. And if you are suffering from any type of hair problem like hair damage, hair fall and dandruff, it will help you to remove or clear all these type of problem if you do it regularly. If you want to enjoy relaxing massage and if you want to look great in your special day, I want you to give a try for hair spa. Hair spa at your home, it's not risky, it's even safe for your hair. You exactly know what you are doing to your hair. The product which I'm using for hair spa, I will definitely update that link where I got it from, so you will get that product from there. This is basically you required two ingredients, that is cream for massaging and for giving a more deep conditioning to your hair, and the second thing is serum. This serum is very nice. You have to use that serum whenever you do hair spa. It will easily you can easily get it from any drugstore. It is available anywhere, so you can get it. Every step I will explain you, like what product I'm using here, what the other ingredients which you required, everything I will explain you while doing spa. So really exciting. I got my product delivered today. It's really very nice, and I'm blogging for my hair and I got this makeup delivered to me. Wow, this is nice. I will definitely make video on this, like unboxing makeup. There is nothing any makeup on it, just the skincare things in it. So I will definitely show you what exactly I bought from makeup. So without any ado, let's get into the video. The ingredient which you required: hair spa cream, serum, plastic bowl, plastic spoon, any comb and any filter water. If you have exact hair volume like me, you can go with the same amount of product or you can increase it. It's up to you. The procedure will be little messy. For protecting your clothes, please try to wear something protective over your nice top. As I have already washed my hair and it got dry, so I am spraying filter water to prepare my hair for procedure. Now I have to divide my hair into two parts and take small portion of your hair and apply cream. Do this procedure until your hair is covered with product. As you can see, my hair is covered with the product. Now it's time to give a good massage to your scalp. Move your finger in a circular fashion and give a good relaxing massage. Now it's time to give your hair the steam treatment. If you don't have any steaming machine like me, you can do exactly what I'm doing here. You just need to cover your hair with shower cap and blow your hair with hair dryer. And make sure you keep moving your hand. For all steps like creaming, steaming, you have to wait for 30 minutes because this is the procedure. Till then, that cream penetrates your scalp effectively and works for your damaged hair, damaged pore, and it will help you to give a effective result. So you have to wait for 30 minutes. It's up to you. If you want to wait for 1 hour, you can wait for 1 hour. It will give you more better result. This hair spa effectively used for rehydrate your hair. It will work for like if you are suffering from any type of hair problem like dandruff, tangles, damaged hair, not shiny. So it will work for all these type of problem, and you will definitely get the better result. If you definitely figure out the difference between after and before. So after 30 minutes you have to wash your hair, but make sure you are washing your hair with normal water. Don't use any shampoo. You can use shampoo tomorrow. After 1 day you can use any shampoo, but don't use any shampoo after hair spa. Now the 30 minutes is over and I'm going to wash my hair. I will get back to you with the result. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you liked it. If you really find out this video helpful, if you find yourself that you can do hair spa at your home, so please give a big thumbs up to this video and share it with your friends. I have already told you, like, if you have any query related to anything, like anything, if you are confusion what I'm doing exactly what the step after that, you will definitely ask me, and please do comment. You guys are watching my video but you are not liking that video. Please share it with your friends, and because I really need your love, your support, and please, if you're watching my video, please give a big thumbs up if you really like it, and it's your one thumbs up is really mean to me. So please like my video, and please subscribe my channel if you are not subscribed yet. So please love yourself, please love your your family, love your friends. So that's it. Bye bye, love you, see you in my